Do you want to know how you can organize your playlist according to the genres you listen to? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can organize the playlist according to the genres you listen to. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Spotify on your PC or your browser if you are using your PC. You can see the playlist option over here. I have already created the hip hop and rock playlist. Now you can see that if I go to hip hop, there are only hip hop songs over here. And if I go to rock, you can see some of the rock songs which I have added. Now I want to add some EDM playlist. I'll just go ahead and click on this plus button, click on create, and then go to the name and write down EDM. I'll also choose a photo because it will be kind of descriptive and we will know what type of songs we are listening to. So you can write this and click save. And you can also write an additional description which describes the type of playlist you want to create or you are creating. Now let's go ahead and search for some songs which I want to add. I'll go ahead and search for this song over here. So you can see that you can add all of these songs. So I want to add other songs for my EDM playlist as well. So I'll go ahead and search for the artist. So you can see that we can go to the artist profile and add all of these songs. And if I go back to my playlist over here, you can see that I've added these songs on my playlist. Now you can clearly see that my playlist has been categorized according to the genres I listen to. Now if I'm in the mood to listen to hip hop, I'll just go ahead and click on this playlist over here and start to listen to these songs. Or if I want to listen to the rock songs, I'll just go to my rock playlist anytime. I hope this video about how you can categorize the playlist according to the genres you listen to was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.